Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Everyone, I'm Vivian Onya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore the world of visualization with VM Workstation. In this video, I'll be sharing an in-depth overview of what VM Workstation is, its features, and a step-by-step guide on how to download and install it. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a developer, or an IT professional, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started and dive into the world of visualization. VM Workstation is an amazing desktop visualization tool that lets you run multiple operating systems on a single PC or laptop. Imagine testing, developing, and deploying apps across different operating systems without needing separate machines. Whether you're a developer wanting to test your software, a learner exploring new system, or an IT pro simulating networks, VM Workstation make it all possible. With features like snapshots, cloning, and seamless OS integration, it's revolutionized efficiency and productivity. Dive into the future of computing with VM Workstation and transform how you work. For us to download VM, we need to go to our browser and type VMware Workstation Pro downloads and click on enter. Um, so click on enter. Then you'll see download VM Workstation Player. So click on the first link and scroll down. For people using Linux machine, you can go ahead and click on this download now. But for a user that is using Windows machine, you can click on this. So I'm using Windows machine, so I can click on this link. As you can see, you cannot download it from the official website because Broadcom has bought VMware. So for us to download this VMware workstation, we need to go to Broadcom website. So you can type Broadcom. So click on it, and we are here in Broadcom web page. So what we'll do, just click on products and scroll down to VM products. So click on VM products, scroll down, you will see a search bar. So you're going to type workstation and click on enter. You see workstation player, workstation pro. You're going to click on workstation pro. Then you need to scroll down. You see VM workstation pro for PC. Click on it. For people that already has the Broadcom account, you can go ahead and type your username. But for people that is the first time that they want to log in, we need to create or we need to register our account. So click on login. You see login, you see register. You click on register. Email address. Here we need to input our company email address. I'm using a temporary email, so I need to go here and click on and copy this email. Then paste it here. You see a letter is a captcha. You can just type letter, verify successfully, then click on next. So Broadcom has sent us our verification code to our email. What we need to do, go to our email address, then copy the code, then paste it here. So we click on verify and continue. We need to input our first name, our last name, in our country, job title, password. The password needs to contain 8 characters in length, one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter. one digital number, at least one special character. That is what our password will comprise of. So click on accept the terms of use. Click create account. Then scroll down, click on I will do later. Now we need to log into our Broadcom account. So input our username, click on next, then we input our password. We have successfully logged into our Broadcom account. You need to click on this bar, click on VM Cloud Foundation, type VMware, VMware Workstation, Workstation Pro, then click on search. Click on it, then scroll down, then click on this first link, Workstation Pro 17.5.2. Click on VM Workstation Pro 17.0 for personal use. You see other versions like 17.5.2, 17.5.1. So you can just choose the version of your choice. I will advise you to download 17.5.2 because this is the latest version. Click on 17.5.2. Then I need to check on I agree terms and condition. Click on this. Then click on yes. We need to put our additional information. Click on submit. Then you can go ahead and download it. Your download has started. Please wait for a few minutes. So it has finished downloading. We can go ahead and install it. Then right click on it. Click on open. Then click on yes. Then click on next. Then scroll down. Check on the box. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. 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 Then click on install. Then click on finish. So you can go ahead and open our workstation. So here, VM Workstation 17. Enter a license key to allow commercial use. Use VM Workstation 17 for personal use. So click on the first option. Then we click on continue. Click on finished. and we have successfully download and install our VM Workstation Pro 17 for personal use on Windows machine. Thank you